Hello everyone. So welcome to this video, and in this video we are continuing the series Fraction Made Easy with Fraction Fiesta. Right. Let's begin with the questions and the topic. Basically in this we are going to divide the fractions. We are going to learn how to do the basic operator of division on the fraction. So nothing much. Very easy. We are gonna see the all case scenarios like we did in multiplication. Let's begin. So, since we are doing division, let me just change the size of the marker. That will be more visible. Yeah, so let's do the division. We are gonna study the division part as well. And if you know how to do the multiplication of a fraction, in the last video, we have seen that we did it. And if you have watched the video and if you know how to do the multiplication of division, then this is going to be easier for you. And why I'm saying this, you'll get to know about when we'll do the question. So the first case scenario, let's take division of fraction by fraction, fraction divided by fraction. So in this case, when a fraction is there being divided by a fraction only, then what's going to be the answer and how is it going to be solved? Let's just see that. So let's take an example that's 2 over 3 and divided by 4 over 5. Again, very easy, and this is the foundation. Let's see. Nothing much. You just need to follow this simple step. Write the fraction question same. But remember one thing, there is a difference that's going to be over here. So you need to write it down. First, write the fraction. Change the sign. We need to change the sign of division to multiplication and reverse. Reverse means reverse the other fraction. That means if it is 4 by 5, it's going to be 5 by 4. We have reversed the numerator and the denominator. Nothing much. Now you know how to do the fraction multiplication. That's it. Do that process and that's going to be your answer. So 5 times 2 is 10 and 3 times 4 is going to be 12. So your answer 10 over 12. That's it. Yes, this is so easy. The process, repeat, change, and reverse. So this is the RCR, repeat, change, and reverse. You just need to follow this rule of RCR. Yep. Okay, let's see this. Not RCB though, it's RCR. Yes. Let's see the second question on this. Let's try giving a second example. So if it is 8 over 4 divided by 3 over 2, how are we going to do this? So it's going to be, we need to follow the rule of RCR again. Repeat, change, and reverse. So that's 8 over 4. We need to repeat the first fraction. Now change the sign from division to multiplication and reverse. Reverse is, if it is 3 over 2, it's going to be 2 over 3. That's correct, exactly. Now, just the simple multiplication rule. 8 times 2 is 16 and 4 times 3 is 12. That's it. Now, let's see the second case scenario where a fraction is divided by a whole number. Fraction divided by a whole number. This is the second scenario. So simple. The base, you're going to use the same base, the same logic. Just need to solve the question. Okay, so let's take an example. If it is 3 over 7 divided by 2. Nothing much. You need to remember the same rule, RCR. So write the same 3 over 7. The repeat we need to actually change the sign, multiplication, we change the sign, now reverse. Reverse what? It's just the whole number. Remember the logic that we had applied during solving the multiplication by a whole number, right? You just put a 1 over there and that's it. So if it is 2 over 1 in general, if it is 2 over 1 in general, you need to now reverse it. So it's going to be 1 over 2 now. This is nothing but 3 over 14, right? This is how you do this question, fraction divided by a whole number. Let's see one more example of this. So, if it is 8 over 4 divided by, let's take 6. Okay, this is going to be not 6 only, by 6 over 1, right? Repeat 8 over 4, change to multiplication and reverse. So it is going to be 1 over 6 now. 8 times 1 is 8, and this is going to be 24. 6 times 4 is 24. So 8 over 24. And yes, that's it. That's your answer. The third case where a fraction is divided by a mixed number. Exactly. Let's see. So we have 4 over 3 divided by 2, 3 over 1. Let's just solve this. Again, the basic rule of solving a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, just put that basic rule. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5, 5 over 1. Exactly. Now, repeat the same process of RCR. So it's going to be 4 over 3 multiplied by, it is now 5 over 1. So you need to reverse it. So it will be 1 over 5, right? So 4 times 1 is 4 and 5 times 3 is 15. So 4 over 15. That's correct. That's what your answer is. Let's try doing it one more time. So if it is 8 over 6 divided by 4, 3 over 2. Let's see. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 over 2, right? This is the mixed fraction. Now, sorry, this is now the converted improper fraction, right? Now, let's just repeat the process. Let's just do the process of RCR. So, it's 8 over 6 multiplied by 2 over 11. Now, need to reverse it as well, right? 2 over 11. So, 8 times 2 is 16. And 11 times 6 is 66. So this is your final answer, 16 over 66. Now let's just see the last case that can be possible is a mixed fraction divided by a mixed fraction divided by a mixed fraction. So let's just take this example. If it is 6, 1 over 2 divided by 2, 3 over 4, or you can say 2, 1 over 4. Just do the same process, turn it into the improper fraction. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13 over 2. And this one is going to be 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9 over 4. Now, repeat the process of RCR. That's 13 over 2. Change the sign from division to multiplication and reverse the other fraction. That means it's going to be 4 over 9 this time. Find out the answer and write down it in the comment section. It's going to be really, really fun and easy. Now, let's come back to the fraction fiesta of division. We are going to divide and conquer your fractions. So, welcome to the fraction fiesta division edition. So join the fiesta and sharpen your fraction division skills. We are going to solve these problems to divide fractions by fractions, whole number, and with mixed numbers as well. we're going to show our work and keep the party going. So starts a split, fraction divided by fraction. 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2, nothing but the RCR process. So it's going to be 3 over 4. Let's just change the thickness. Yes. 3 over 4, change, multiply, and 1 over 2 is going to be 2 over 1 now. So this is going to be 6 over 4, right? Let's just try one more. So this is 2 over 5, repeat, change, and reverse. 7 over 3. 14 over 15. That's what your answer is. You can solve the other questions that are left. Let's now come to the guacamole portions. That's fraction divided by whole number. Divide these fractions by whole number to portion out the guacamole for the guest. Exactly, it's very important to take out the portion for the guest. Let's just do it. So it's 4, that means 4 over 1. Right. Now just repeat the process of RCR like add the seasoning in any food. That's it. So this is going to be 2 over 3 times 1 over 4. 2 times 12. That's it. That's what your answer is. Now, 2 over 1. So 3 times 3 over 5. Now change the sign, and 2 over 1 is going to be 1 over 2 now. 1 over 2. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 5 times 2 is 10. So 3 over 10. Exactly. This is how you do the question. Now, Enchilada sharing. Enchilada sharing, so fraction divided by mixed numbers. So share this enchilada filling by dividing these fractions by mixed number. Convert the numbers to proper fraction and multiply the reciprocal. Exactly. So let's just first repeat 3 over 4. Change the sign and write the improper fraction. So we need to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That just the walk on a cake, right? A cake walk. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, 3 over 2. But we need to change the sign, remember? So it's going to be 2 over 3, not 3 over 2 this time. Yes. 2 over 3. 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 times 3 is 12. So your answer is 6 over 12, right? Let's try solving the last question. So 3 over 7 multiplied by changing the sign, and we need to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 4. But remember to reverse. So 4 over 9. So 4 times 3 is 12. And how much is 7 times 9? 63. Exactly. So your answer is 12 over 63. You can show your work. You can do the question. Keep it as tidy as a feaster table. Awesome work, chefs. I know you have solved the questions. Now check your answers and keep the fraction fiesta rocking. Yes, so that is it for today. And we have completed the basic operators on a fraction. Now in the next parts of the video, it's going to be almost the last part of the fraction made easy series. On that part, we are going to solve the word problems, and as well as we are going to look for all the question and types and the logics we have understood till now in the series. We are going to apply that, solve the questions, use the methods, and that was going to be the last video of the fraction made easy series. So that is it for today. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.